Hello and welcome back. Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. This week, I asked the Galactics about our purpose, especially in light of all of the changes going on around us and what we can do to maintain our outlook. This is what they said. During the time of this great upheaval cycle, it will be life-saving to maintain your soul's focus and view events with spirit eyes. Spirit eyes look out from the soul through your physical eyes with a clear understanding of the great plan and everyone's place in it. Every person on earth at this time has a purpose, even those whose purpose may be different from yours. Your purpose is quite clear. You who have chosen to live in the light and experience the higher frequencies of your soul's galactic heritage have the greatest tasks of all. You have volunteered to hold the space of a positive outcome for this ascension process. You have volunteered to take on the task of maintaining your highest frequency of love and brilliant light while continuing to reach for more. This is your task. The release of fear and lower emotion frequency patterns while carrying the light and a positive outlook for humanity is work until it's not. You will find that with persistence and conscious awareness of your efforts to embody light and love on a daily basis, it will become second nature and transform your entire experience of life. Remember that this is a long and great process and has been very slow for some and yet very protracted for others. It's all about perspective. Perceive the wondrous new earth being birthed through the decay of the old paradigm. We can assure you that all is proceeding toward the great shift, and you are an integral and vital participant in its unfolding. Never doubt your contribution. Never doubt the role you play and the importance of your role in creating the shift from dark to light. And if you do doubt, call upon your soul, your highest aspects of self, and connect to Creator Source so you can feel your own inner strength and purpose. Focus on what is filled with love and radiant light rather than what is gross as you look around you. Look upon unfolding events and individuals in your life through your spirit eyes, with the knowing that choices are being made at any given time. Bless those who choose their own path, wherever that will take them, and yet remain firm on yours. The time of rapid and disturbing events is coming to a crest, and when the crest breaks, all will dissolve into the new earth, which is already created in the great blueprint. For now, in this now moment, affirm that you are infinitely loved, cared for, protected, and living your best life. Believe it, affirm it, know it, and it will be so. You are greatly loved, greatly valued, and held in the hearts of all that is. Well, there you have it. That's what they had to say this week, and I thought that was a great answer to my question. So if you find these videos beneficial, please like, subscribe, share. Let's tweak the algorithm on YouTube and have some fun. If you have a question or a topic you'd like me to ask the Galactics, please feel free to do so. And if you're interested in connecting with me about classes or readings or anything else, just feel free to reach out. The information is below. Until next week, I wish you many, many blessings.